Okay, so here we are on the third video, and this is going to be for the Dero extensions. Okay, so if we want to go to DeroNFTs.com, Dero NFTs, this is where you can buy and sell all their stuff. Now, there's lots of things you can do here, and I don't know most of it, but I want to show you how to hook up the extension that goes to your node that we created earlier that's running in the background to your wallet that we created earlier. Okay, now you do have to have the wallet running, so when you start to do this whole thing, we're going to go ahead and get the extension first. So the way you do that in Brave, you can just go here and go into the extensions, and then you go to the web store, and then that takes you to this place here is Chrome, Google, whatever, and then we're going to put in Dero RPC, not sure what that means, bridge, but it is in the code we used earlier. Okay, so this is the extension that you want. You add it to Brave, and you just add the extension. It'll take a minute, it'll check it out, and it'll throw it up here for you. And so this little tiny extension is here. Now if you want to pin it to this bar, just go right here and put this little pin, and it'll stay here. It'll stay here all the time, and that's what you want. So you can close all these things here that you have open at that point. All right. Now this store here is what's going to hook up to this extension. Now we have to hook it up through the wallet that we created. So here we're going to go into our wallet, and you see we have the RPC server. The login name is Dero Test, and the password is Dero Test 123. And here's the code that you would use. You just replace username and for your username for your wallet, and password for your wallet. And then once you did that, you copy this code. All right, and then you go into your wallet folder, go to your alias, right click, open new terminal at folder, just like we've been doing, and then you paste this new code. Now this new code has your IP address, and you check to make sure your IP address didn't change, and it has your login name, username, and your password. And you hit enter, and then that'll open up the option for you to open the existing wallet. You click 1 for existing wallet, put in the name of your wallet, in our case Dero Test, and then it wants the password, in our case Dero Test 123. And then once the wallet's open with this code here, it will run on that extension. Now if you want to make sure you're in the right wallet, of course you can click 1 and go through all the things that we probably hashed through pretty good. All right, now we want to go to the extension. So here's the extension, and all you're going to do here is just replace this on the top one, localhost, for your IP address, whatever your IP address is that you've been using. Now the colon 10102, that stays there and all that, but you're just going to take that code and go to the extension here. Okay, and we're going to just replace the word localhost, leave the colon and everything else, paste your number in there, and click set. Now this green turns connected, so it is connected to your node on your machine. Now this one you can leave at localhost in the 10103 this time, and put in your wallet name, Dero Test in our case. Let me make sure that's not capped. And then Dero Test 123, and then it should just hook up, and it does. Okay, so now we're completely hooked up, connected to our wallet, which is here. This is our wallet. Now you probably have to put some money in here if you're going to trade and stuff. Now you can do this wallet just for your trading and stuff like that, but if you have a wallet that you want to just save your Dero, you should have another wallet. That would be called a HODL wallet, I guess. Okay, so you can have as many wallets as you want is the point. Now, as far as this stuff here, you're already hooked up. I don't know much more about that as far as buying and selling these NFTs. You can do that. You can see to Dero, so you probably have to click on it and send them Dero right out of your wallet. Okay, you're already hooked up. And that is pretty much it for the uh, local version of your node on your machine, your wallet hooked to your node, and your wallet hooked to the NFT server. Okay, for the extension. Now, there's one other way you could do this a little bit faster, but like I say, the tech guys say it's not as secure, and I'll show you on the next video how you can do all of this fairly fast. And I don't know if you can do this last part with the NFTs. I probably wouldn't, just because if you're going to go that far, you might as well have your own node. Okay, so we'll see you on the next video.